guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today is another luxury goods video. So I will be doing a review on the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post videos 3 times a week, so you definitely don't want to miss my content I have coming up. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I bought this key holder from the Louis Vuitton store in Fort Worth. As you can see, it's in a damier bin print and it's got the rose ballerine button. I know my lighting's a little bit weird today, so I'm filming in my living room, as y'all can see, because my son is asleep. So I have not had this long. I actually got this Black Friday, so just a few weeks ago, but as you can see, I have been using this bad boy. So whenever I was on the market for this, I was looking at so many videos about this, about what was in it. So before I purchased this, I actually purchased a 6-ring key holder from Coach. It was black leather, and I actually didn't like that one because, so as you can see with this one, or hopefully you can see, it's got like a compartment back here, but like the part that the key rings are on, it's like, this is all stitched down. On my Coach one, this little flap was loose, so it would like flap up, and I really did not like that because all my keys would flap up all the time. I don't understand why that was like that. And I think one of the Chanel ones is like that too, so I know for sure that I won't be interested in that. But yeah, something that I do before I splurge on a big item is sometimes I will, like, this was a new concept to me, and I saw a lot of videos on it where like best SLG ever. You know, if I had to get rid of all of my Louis Vuitton collection and keep one item, it would be my 6-ring key holder. And I was like, I'm skeptical. And like I said, this was just a completely new concept for me. The 6-ring key holder retails for like $250. So for me, but before I spend that much money on something that I don't even know like if I'm gonna like, I wanted to just kind of test the waters first. So I bought the Coach one, which I got on sale for like $30. And I liked it, but like I said, I didn't like that flap. But when I saw that this one didn't, this was stitched down, then I thought, okay, I think I'll like this. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, first of all, what all is in here. So first of all, I have my key fob, which is like a big one. I also have my fob that opens and closes my gate to my apartment complex. I have my LA Fitness membership card. I have my Kroger's membership card, and then I have my mailbox key and then my house key. So whenever I was doing my research, I couldn't find someone that had both a key fob and like a fob to open their apartment. So if there's anyone out there that has both, get the 6-ring key holder because they do both fit and you don't have to do anything weird to it. Like as you can see, they're all just on the normal key rings, and this is how it closes. Oops. This is how it closes. So, okay, as you can see, I don't have to really do anything special to it, and it just closes like this. So, as you can see, it's definitely stuffed, but I mean, it closes, and I don't know, I don't intend on reselling this, so I don't care if it gets a little misshapen, but I do like the fact that they all fit, even if it takes a little bit to close it. So something else that I wanted to make sure I mentioned in this review is like ease of use. So the main reason, in my opinion, for getting this type of a key holder is to protect your bags so that you don't have loose keys that could potentially damage your other small leather goods or the inside of your bag. But really that's kind of like, in my opinion, the biggest advantage. Besides that, for me, This piece, unfortunately, is not a carefree piece only because of this leather button. Like, I know if I'm constantly rubbing on this, it's going to wear, it's going to rub off. So when I open and close this, I never touch the button. I always open it around the button, and then when I close it, I always close it like this. Hold on. Like that. Like, I never actually touch the button to close it. So because I have to do that, because I'm trying to extend the use and wear out of this, that is a little annoying. I don't know. I'm still kind of scared to do the whole like nail polish on the button thing so that it is easy, because I just don't know how long lasting that is. Like, I don't know how it's going to wear with nail polish. Do I need to reapply the nail polish? I don't know. So that's the only thing. I kind of wish they had an option where it was the rose ballerine interior, but then it had a brass button. I don't know. So anyways, I did get this hot stamped. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I had a business trip in Austin, Texas. If y'all don't know, I'm actually from Austin, but I live in Dallas now. So yeah, I was staying at the Domain, the Westin at the Domain, and I decided to just take a trip to the Louis Vuitton store and have them hot stamp it. So I got my initials, and the hot stamping experience was fine, like nothing crazy or weird. I literally just walked in, asked them if they did hot stamping. The lady said they did, so she went to the back and got another lady out. She came out, she kind of talked to me about like where I wanted to hot stamp. I considered getting it here. I also considered getting it like in the middle, and then we just decided that I would do it here. She showed me like kind of what it would look like. She had these clear plastic swatch cards to kind of give me an idea of what it would look like. Definitely only hot stamp if you feel like it's a forever piece. I mean, you still can sell things that have been hot stamped. You'll get less for it if it's been hot stamped, because I purchased a wallet that had been hot stamped prior to me, and honestly it just didn't bother me, but I was able to get it cheaper because it had been hot stamped. Is this my favorite SLG? No, like absolutely not. I think this is overhyped. Now something that I do like about this is that you get a little Louis Vuitton with you every single day. Like every day I have to, because I'm always leaving my house, I'm always driving my car. So I do like that aspect, is that you always have a little bit of luxury with you everywhere you go. So I love that. I just don't like just the opening and the closing of it, honestly. Like, I think I would like it a lot more if I wasn't so finicky about the button. But y'all, the button it's stressing me out a little bit, I will say. So I can't say that this is my favorite SLG. I do still like the look and feel of it. I like the concept of it, but I think I might break down and do the nail polish thing. I don't know, y'all. I'm on the fence. If y'all have any suggestions for me, let me know. I definitely don't intend on selling this, like I said. I love it. I love the color. Like I said, I like it, but I don't like just the damn button. Ooh, I better be quiet before I wake up Rylan. It's really easy to take keys on and off. Sometimes I will take my driver key fob and kind of like flip it up, and then it's a little bit easier to close. And then when I drive, I just, you know, drive with it hanging down like this, and then whenever I'm on my way home, I undo it, and then I can always just access this pretty quickly. Sometimes I will drive with it just open like this. That doesn't bother me. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it on this review. I will do an update wear and tear in 6 months. Yeah, if you have any questions on this, let me know. If you're wondering, will XYZ fit in this, let me know. I could always just try it for you and tell you. If this is your favorite SLG, comment below why. If you think I'm tripping and I should just do the nail polish, let me know. I don't know, just comment something down in the comment section and we'll have a dialogue there. So yeah, guys, that's everything. Thanks again for watching my channel. Thanks again for hanging in there with your girl. Let me know if there's something you want to see. That's it. Be good to yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.